to you. 25X on a crazy time. Multiplier. Can you believe it? Well, let's welcome it. Round of applause for that 25X multiplier that's gonna get applied to each and every segment of the wheel. Wow. This is
stickly, right? I know it. Come on, crazy time with a 50. Trying to stay as humble as possible. Oh boy, 20x top slot multiplier, that's actually insane. I don't remember when was the last time I had such a...
Oh, 10x.
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Majority raises the hand, we will remove it. I'm kidding. I wish though. Talia is just laughing. Talia, come on. You said that I'm a great singer sarcastically, right? I know it. Come on, crazy time with a 50x. It is coming up that please, 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 please. I'm just gonna enjoy this moment, guys. Enjoy it, guys. Everyone stand up, dance. If it had been Fucker and I Joe, I'd been married long time ago. Woo! Who's the best? Ladies and gentlemen, who's the best? Not me, not me. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome. I'm gonna try to stay as humble as I possibly can. Crazy time with a 20x multiplier in the top slot. Trying to stay as humble as possible. Oh boy, 20x top slot multiplier, that's actually insane. I don't remember when was the last time I had such a thing, you know? I honestly don't remember. Anyways, make your decisions: green, blue, and yellow. In the meanwhile, while you're making your decisions, I'm just gonna dance, okay? Happy dance. There we go, happy dance. Okay, good luck to you. That was the worst Michael Jackson impression ever. Well, that's gonna be a 500x for the green, 400x for the yellow, and yellow. No wait, double trouble for the blue. Sorry, my brain is lagging, not functioning properly. Alright guys, you ready? 4000x multiplier is gonna be the biggest one. Abracadabra, hocus pocus, let's go.
This is the amount of money issued, 388,363 euros.
Multiplier. Hee hee. Let's keep going, guys. Beautiful round, beautiful round.
1,131 if you succeed with such a result, with such a lovely double digit. And now we're moving on guys to the next round, so get ready and place your bet. Just a few more moments left to do so. I mean, to prepare your bets, to change your mind if you want. I'll be straightforward right now. Do you have a boyfriend? No, I don't. Crazy time, got 5x. And you even wrote it 2 times in the chat just to make sure that I see that message. Nice, I like the effort. Come on, crazy time 5x, come on! Yes! Ladies and gentlemen, guess what we got? I mean, I just said it out loud, but take a guess. Yes! If we're gonna now start with a double as well. Oh my. Okay, crazy time, 5 times multiplier. First things first. All the multipliers, the initial ones, and now the cherry on top of it. On top of the cake. Let's go! Oh, love it. But before we make a spin, feel free to make your decisions. You get 3 teams for three colors to go to. It's the green, blue, and yellow. So which one? Choose wisely. Because 500X on the line, if I'm not mistaken. But yet again, there are a lot of doubles around the wheel. 500X, good luck! Please, do miracle. $175 green one, 100X blue, and double on a yellow flopper, so now the highest possible multiplier stands at the 1000X. Woo-hoo-hoo! I'm afraid to press the button, but here goes nothing. Let's go. 1000X, please hit it. We need those 4 digits.
This is the amount of money issued for 139,421 euros.
Brilliant! Hey, what's up? 5,620 in total. Hello, you got your 25K as the outcome of the spin. Congratulations!
Dolu 70 for C and JJ. Good. Betting time. And let's go. Yeah. Okay. All right. Let's go. No more bets. 5X on cash hunts. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Oh, my gosh, guys. We got a 5X cash hunt. Let's go. Woo. Beautiful. All right. Okay, the board. Okay, so we're going to have a single 500X there. We gonna have tons of 100Xs, a lot of 50s, some 250s. Beautiful. Okay, I lied. 125s. Even better. Alright? Okay. Okay. Mixing it up. Right? Mixing it up. Bam, guys. Let's go. So, it's all mixed up. All you gotta do, guys, choose something. Choose something. And hope, I guess. Right? So, yeah, last seconds, and let's go for the reveal. Right?
This is the amount of money issued, 714,358 euros.
What's up? And there we go. We got, 12 of you got 500X, 585, we got the 200 or something. Cheers, beautiful. 1,700 winners, 8,800 Sniper, 2,900 Yakub, and let's go again. Lovely. All right.
Spanish player Enrico, and now you're betting time. So place your bets for the next round and wishing you the best of luck, dear ladies and gentlemen. Final sentence to make your decision, to make your predictions after all. That is the objective of the game, to guess that next winning segment. I hope you will be very, very successful at it. Good luck to you. 25X on a crazy style. Well, that looks very sweet. Not selling anything, though. Didn't happen to catch the whole question, but, well, ladies and gentlemen, do you see that? Do you see that crazy time on the wheel? Ladies and gentlemen, crazy time. Can you believe it? Please join me. Well, ladies and gentlemen, so fantastic to meet you here. You know, we brought a special guest with us from the TOPSLOT, that 25X multiplier. Can you believe that? Well, let's welcome it. Round of applause for that 25X multiplier that's gonna get applied to each and every segment of the wheel. Wow. This is spicy for sure, ladies and gentlemen. Please make this very important decision. Which flopper to go for, the green, the blue, or the yellow? 3 options, 1 decision yet to be made. And you're the ones making it. Nobody but you, dear ladies and gentlemen. And now it could be after that 2,500. Let's go!
This is the amount of money issued 3,117,056 euros.
We got 1,250X for the green, 625X for the blue, and the same for the yellow. Good job then, ladies and gentlemen. Compliments all of the winners. Wow. Welcome back at the wheel. 5,921 winners, 1,250X, the highest multiplier there. Can you believe that? Your betting time is all yours, so please place your bets for the next
400 euros. Russell 110. Ratsan forever 93. All right. Let's do it again. Yeah. Hey, no more bets. Oh, 10x pachinko. Beautiful. Ooh-wee. Come on. Oh my. Ooh. Oh boy, look at that. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. Thank you. 10x pachinko, guys. We're having a party here, man. Let's go. Okay, man. I hope I'm looking good now. This could be on the internet right now. Okay, so least we're gonna get is a 50x. We also got 2 doubles, and we got 1,000x there. Are you kidding me? 250, 1,000, 150, 150. Oh boy, this is exciting, though. This is exciting. Woo. Okay, guys, get hyped up. Just enjoy, okay? Let's do this. Bam! Woo! Come on, give me something nice. Okay. Woo! You kidding me? Oh my, we got a double here. Now we got a 2,000x, 500, 200, 300. Woo! Are you kidding me? Oh my. Woo. Woo. Ah, let's go. Good luck, guys. And this is going to be on the internet, though.
This is the amount of money issued 5,403,155 euros.
2,000x. Oh my. Oh my. Wow, 4,900 winners. 200,000 for the top winner. I was not ready for this.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.